Hi everyone, today we will unbox Murphy Richards Inspira dry iron. This is the retail packaging of Murphy Richards Inspira dry iron. This dry iron has a power of 1000 watts. Some informations are written in the box. Without wasting much time, let's get started. We can see the dry iron itself. Let's take it out. The cable is a nice quality braided cable, and there is also a small user manual. This is the warranty card of the product. There is only one plastic holder left in the box, nothing else. So let's come back to the iron box itself. This is the Morphy Richards Inspira iron. You can see a neon bulb and a thermostat. Okay guys, that's our unboxing and overview. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe.